Hello and welcome to another how-to video. My name is Dave Davis, CTO at DVS, and today we're going to take a look at the new Hikvision Facial Recognition Terminal. So I'm going to spin you around, we're going to have a quick look. Okay, so what we have is the rain shroud. So if you're going to fit this unit outside, it's suggested it's under a cover, like a porch or a hangover, to stop the worst of the weather getting on it. But it's also just suggested that you fit this external rain shroud. So you fit that against the wall and the unit bolts into it, which provides it a little bit more protection. So in the box, what do we get? So we open the box. We've got the installation CD, marking template for the drilling. We've also got the connections there for on the back of the unit. They're plug-on connectors. For the 12-volt Wiegand, relay outputs, etc, etc. So that's very important, don't lose that. Then in the unit itself, we've got the mounting plate. So that screws to the wall. So what you'd have in this instance is that plate would go, line it up, so within there, and then the unit fits in there. And then in the actual barrel itself, so you take the unit out. So you can see now, it's got the fingerprint reader, it's also a card reader, and it's got the face recognition, LCD screen on it, which is touchscreen. On the rear of the unit, if I bring it closer, you can see you've got your legend there, so your pin outs. You've got a SIM card. We're not going to show any of that part of it today. And you've got the plug-on connectors which relate to this legend there. Your cable channel, so the cables can sit neatly in there. And then under this cover, you've got another SIM card slot. Just make sure that's secure. It is. So what we'll do now is we'll go fit this on my demonstration room door, and we shall show you how it works. And on also there are your two RJ45 connections. Okay. See you shortly. Okay, welcome back to this video. I've actually now fitted the unit, so we're gonna just activate it. So I've opened the SADP. You can see it's inactive at the bottom there. So we will activate this. There we go, the device is active. Just refresh that. And now I'm going to give it my IP address that I like. Okay, so that's done. We can close that down and we can come out with that. So now I'm going to go and open up 4,200, and I'll come back to you, so we'll add the device to there where we can do the management. Right, okay, so we've got the face rec terminal on the demo room. I can't even say my own spelling. So when you click onto it, you've got a couple of options, which are the default ones. You've also got the enable 3G, 4G. Like I showed you earlier, it has got the SIM card in there. We won't be showing that side of it today. When you click on the actual door itself that is created underneath it, you've got the door sensor exit buttons. You can change them. The door lock time, so it's 5 seconds. Door open for disabled, door open timeout, and the enable lock-in, JOS code, super password. We're happy with them. We don't need to adjust them, so we'll click save. When we click on the entrance card reader one, so this is actually the face reader and fingerprint. I can't even face and finger. Enable card reader, yes. So that's the built-in fingerprint and face reader together. You can see there the card reader type is fingerprint and face, and you can set all of the parameters that are needed around that, along with some of the face picture information, target stuff. That's fine. Indoor applications, you can change it from indoor to outdoor. That's fine. You've also got the exit card reader too that we haven't got, so you could have a reader on the other side of the door to make it read in, read out. We don't have one connected. This is only to gain entry to the room itself. So as you can see there, the exit card reader too is currently saying it's offline because there's nothing connected to it. Okay, what we can do now is under the face reader and fingerprint, so card authentication, so we've got it there. We'll have fingerprint, face and fingerprint, chuck that in there, yep. So this one here, yeah. No one comes in, yeah. And save this. So we're saying now it's face and fingerprint needed between this days and time. So that's fine. Open. We don't need to do any of this. That's fine. What we can do now is, where's my mouse gone? That's all fine. I've already added myself in already, so if I edit this one, then I read some before. So what we need to do now is face picture, and we'll do collection mode is local collection. This one here, collect. Right, I need to go and get my face from here. Give me 2 seconds, let me go to the door. Okay, so what we did there is we used the collection mode as local upload, so it's the camera connected to the PC, the built-in HD webcam doesn't work on my one. Local collection or remote collection. Remote collection is using the terminal itself. I went and stood by it. I'm happy with that, so I can click on OK. That should have saved it. Yep. Let me just go back and modify myself. Under face picture, so we're ready to go on that one. The card I've already got in there, and the fingerprint. I need to do this. So we will start remote collection, select device, this one here, so it's the remote one again. We're going to do this finger here, this one here, yeah. You can put multiple fingers in. Okay, you can see there my fingerprint is added now. Using that there, you have to press it 3 times. So you press it to initialize it, it'll say add again and then add again. So it takes 3 samples of your fingerprint and then it says fingerprint collected. You come back here, you can see the fingerprint is added in. So you stop it and then we'll save that. Let me just go to the OK button there. So that's saved. So that's good. We're good to go on there. Let me just check one more thing. Go into the modify record again. Permission. All doors, yeah, that's fine. Attendance rule, that's fine, we're not using that. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. We need to add in the face rec terminal to the group. Add that in to all doors, yeah. Add them in for later as well. So added, apply now. Now it's downloading all the details to the device through the software. This can take a minute, especially if you've got a lot of devices on there and a lot of information. And that one's offline anyway, so I've just taken it off outdoor call station. That's fine, so we're finished on that. Good to go. Now if we put it into log. Okay, one point to note then, that's quite important. Once you've actually added the capture the face picture and the fingerprint there, what you need to do under the card there is click on this to link it. You select the two fingerprints, so you can use either and link it, and you have to click on that to link the face that you captured and click on OK. And then what you do then is you go to permission, click apply all, and it will download to the controller all of the changes. If you don't do this step, the fingerprint and face you just captured, whilst they'll be within the software, it isn't pushed to the end device. So what we'll do now is, if I go to status monitor, you can see where it was failing before I did it. So you can see an example of how it fails, and then you've got the two there where it's actually passed. If I go and do one now, if I go and do my face and fingerprint, and then I'll get the GoPro and show you. Okay, so that's how the access control reader works. So you've got 3 passes there. I'll go and get the GoPro now, and I'll show you quickly how it works from that point of perspective. But there we are. So you've got, you know, all of your status monitor there and everything else. I'll go and get the GoPro, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I fitted the face rec terminal over there. I'm going to show you how it works. So we programmed all through the 4200, doors locked. We're going to approach it, and we'll see it working. So I'm going to put you as a person of view. So we'll walk up to it. See my face. Present my finger.
Authenticated.
It's saying authenticated Dave Davis. We can walk through, the door's open. And that is the face recognition access control terminal from Hikvision. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Keep sharing, keep liking. Remember, that's the subscribe button. There's the alarm button to be notified when new content goes live. Really, really appreciate all your feedback. Keep it coming. See you soon. Take care. Cheers.